Winter storm warnings are in place across Peel Region for today, including freezing rain.
Snowplows are out in full force, clearing main arteries first.
Hello, my name is Rob Gauthier. I just finished an 8-hour midnight shift. I'm going to give you a glimpse into what it takes to be a storm fighter. I believe to be a good storm fighter is the dedication you have to have. When everybody is getting their news reports and their travel advisories to stay at home, that's when we're coming in. We say goodbye to our loved ones, and we may not see them for 12 to 14 hours. So much is happening in the cab at one time, be it with the wing control, the front plow control, spreader controls. These are big, heavy units, up to 50, 60 tons. These units are with these guys for 4 months of the year, and they almost live in these trucks. They develop a relationship with the truck. They talk to the truck. It's a team effort, the driver and the truck as one. Typically, we keep each driver with his own run. A lot of the people in the community know those people personally. It's always good to hear the community coming out and thanking those guys.
When I was en route one day and I had a convoy behind me, and as my route came to an end, one of the passengers out of the vehicle yelled at me and said, "Well, we appreciate everything you do, and you made my drive less stressful."
This is our first line of defense. These are the first ones out so that we can get to work, how our kids can get to school, and how everybody can get home safely. I want to thank the Region of Peel and our plow operators for the fine job they do.